To do a Darvas scan, click Scans, Scanning Toolbox, then Darvas Boxes. Protrader is the world's first and premier Darvas Box scanner. You can scan for stocks in uptrends that pause, base, then break out. You can trail your stop loss just like Darvas did in the 1960s. However, if you want to modify the criteria that Darvas used, you can. For example, you can scan for stocks making a 30-day high, 200-day high, 250-day high, or anything you'd like. Simply type in the day period. You can select how long you want that top resistance confirmation to occur. For example, a box will form after a high is made that is not exceeded for 3 days. Once a bottom is reached, you can select how long you want that bottom to occur for. For example, if a stock hits a bottom and then doesn't go below that bottom for 3 days, the bottom of the box will form. But you can change that number to anything you want. The risk buffer indicates where your stop loss will be below the bottom of the box. And there's all sorts of volume criteria. For example, if you want volume to increase before the box is formed, you can click this and have that option. This scans for stocks in any box versus the very first Darvas box. You can unclick that to see previous Darvas boxes that have already broken out. There's a lot here to play around with. In the filters, you can scan for Darvas boxes which are above certain key moving averages to make sure that you're in a stock in mature and well-established uptrend. You can scan for stocks between certain price ranges and make sure that you are scanning for stocks that meet certain criteria in terms of liquidity. You can obviously scan any market you'd like, from the Australian markets to the US markets. Once all your criteria are in, simply press the scan button. It's also easy to save your favorite Darvas Box scan. Once you have all these criteria in, simply press save, title it what you want, and it will save. Once the results come up, they're found on the right here, and you can scan through all the Darvas boxes. Any questions, always reach out to support@protrader.com.au.